Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as a part of exercise, let me grab the table topic for today. The table topic for today is an everyday hero. An everyday hero. When I think about an everyday hero, and my thoughts come searching for the common people. And there have been several instances in my life so far that I have been amazed and completely blown away. The kind of empathy shown by stranger people on this earth. And I think the instinct behavior and the true behavior of uh, human or a people is helping in nature. They have a lot of empathy. When I look at in my opinion, everyday hero is a common man. When you look at outside and you see outside people, a common man is struggling through its life and still having a smile on their face and walking through everyday struggle. They don't complain much, right? And on the other side, when we think about the wealthiest people, they have all these resources. They are not happy. They always demand that this should be that, the government should do that. They always keeps complaining. But have you found that the most common man, they don't complain much? I'm not saying that the complaining is not good. It's like in a democracy, it's a very essential that people ask questions and demand for answer. That's very essential. But when it comes to picking an everyday hero, when they are out of their comfort zone and uh, helping other people, and it brings me like yesterday scenario when we uh, I with my wife went to a coconut uh, the person who was selling coconut water, and when we had them we just said that we don't have money. So he said, come back again whenever you come back and pay me that time. Then we just jokingly said that, what if we run away and we don't come back? So he said a very beautiful line, if we need to think about that. He said that uh, you don't take the future away from me. In Hindi, we call it "Naseeb thode jayega." So that's a very beautiful line, and then we think about that. We don't appreciate the nature of these common people. Thank you. That's my message. That for a everyday hero is a common man for me. Thank you. Over to you.